Welcome to qnawire.
We want to show by a figure the location on U of the terminal point of the arc having initial point at 1, 0. So let's start that visual. At 1, 0. And having the given arc length. And we want to state the quadrant in which the terminal point lies. Well, 1.23, that's positive, so we're going in the counterclockwise direction. And 1.23, so you should know your quadrants. We know halfway around is pi, all the way around is 2 pi. So a quarter of the way is pi over 2, and pi over 2 is about 1.57. So if we know all the way is 1.57, 1.23 is getting close to that, but it's going to fall short. This just means that could be point U, and this is going to lie in quadrant 1. For B, 1/7 of pi, that would be like if this is pi halfway around, it'd be 1/7 of it. So that is going to be positive, and I'm just estimating. Okay. But that would also be in quadrant 1. -4. Starting at positive 1, 0. -4. Well, negative means we're going around clockwise. So we've got pi, and pi is 3.14. 3 pi over 2 is 4.7, so we're short of that. So that's going to put us, I'll just estimate here, as -4, and that's going to put us in the second quadrant. 29 over 8 pi. Well, it's positive, so we're going counterclockwise. And so we've got in eighths, we would have 8 pi over 8, 16 pi over 8, 24 pi over 8. Every 4 would be 4 pi over 8. So if this is 4, if we've got so far, we've got 16, we've got 24. This would be 28 over 8, and 29 over 8 would be a little bit further than that. And that puts us in the fourth quadrant. 12.2, that's positive, so we're going counterclockwise. 2 pi is about 6.28. 3.14 is another pi, so we're in the 9s. We got to get to 12.2. Well, 4 pi is 12.6 about, so it's going to be shy of 2 pi. So it's going to be somewhere over here. That puts us in the fourth quadrant. 17 pi over 6. 17 pi over 6. In 6, we've got 6 pi over 6. 12 pi over 6 is 1 full revolution in 6. And we need another 5, 6 pi, which is going to put us into the second quadrant. And finally, -8/7 pi, we're going to go clockwise. We've got 7/7 pi. 8/7 would be a little bit more than that into the second quadrant. Hope that was helpful. Good luck.